Welcome back, everyone. And if you're new to the channel, thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe. So I'm back out on the farm today. I walk up, and this is what I see. Time to get started. This is my first shot of the day. 45 yards. This guy takes one through the back, and the pellet exit out of the crop. He takes flight, but as he flies, he falls out of the sky by these two poles where the fence meet. Right about there, you see him go down. Now here is that shot through the scope cam. As he takes flight, he starts losing all his liquids, his food, from his crop while in flight. Watch closely. Here is that shot again in slow motion through the scope cam. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. He's done. In this shot I go prone, 30 yards. I know this guy between the neck and the wing area, and he's done instantly. Here we are in the scope cam. He's done. Here we are at the grain area, 30 yards, and he's done. Here we are in the scope cam. This guy takes one in the back, and he's done. Don't forget to subscribe. This shot occurs at about 45 yards. But before I squeeze off the shot, I had a fight with about 3 or 4 cows. They were ganging up on me here, licking my muzzle, my rifle, my pant leg. They were all over me. They were not giving me a clear shot. But anyway, I speed up the action here to get to the shot. As you can see, the cows are right there and I'm shooing them off, doing everything I can to get them away from my muzzle, so that I don't shoot them in the face with my pellet as it exits the muzzle. But I finally get a clearing, and I choose a target, and I take them. Here is that shot in the scope cam. I choose this guy with his back to me, and I nail him. And he goes down, and he dies instantly. And there he is, done. This shot occurs at 43 yards. This guy takes one, it looks like, through the side of the crop and exit out of the left side of the neck. Let's take a look at that shot again in slow motion. Here's the shot. Hits the crop, exit out of the left side, and he goes tumbling backwards on the rooftop, and he's done. I spot this guy at 50 yards, and I take him with a shot to the back. At first I thought he flew off, but he didn't. He never made it off the other side of the roof. Here we are in the scope cam. And that, my friends, was the last shot of the day. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.